This is a standing meditation that's usually done at the end of the 5-phase routine, our framework where we put different types of Qigong in for the maximum effect in the shortest period of time. Wuji stance is the stance that I'm in right now. The feet are comfortably apart, comfortable distance apart, just like you're walking and you stop. The toes are forward. The feet are shoulder width or hip width, or maybe even wider sometimes, maybe even closer together sometimes. It is a stance of stillness. It is a stance that we use to enter Zen, to enter a Qigong state of mind. We soften the knees. We drop the tailbone a little bit, like we're sitting on a tall stool. This structure supports us. The bottom part of our body is heavy. Top part of our body is light, like floating. Our head is floating in clouds. Bottom heavy, top light. Breathe in, float the head. Breathe out, sink into the soles of the feet. Feel the feet on the ground. Arms just drop loosely. Fingertips loosely, not close together. Everything is loose and relaxed. And at first you may concentrate on your breath. Long, slow, deep breaths to help your body relax. Then you may do some impromptu body scans, just noticing whatever is tense and releasing that tension so you can stand here for a while. So we're seeking an enjoyable experience. And once we have built that for ourselves, we're going to live there for a while and just be. Just enjoy this stillness. Just enjoy this sanctuary. Let go of any thoughts that come and go. Just be here now. Try not to think of anything at this point. Try is a bad word. Thinking is opposite of what we're doing. We're just being. And when you're ready, blink open your eyes. Dry wash your face, maybe rub your ears. Come back to this reality.